In the previous class, we talked about how to install WordPress, how to buy domain name, how to buy hosting, and then connect domain name with hosting, and then installing WordPress. I suppose we have done till this point. Yes or no, guys? We are done till this part. Nipun says yes. 1, okay. What about Manisha and Ratan? I have not yet to go to the last session, not a problem, Manisha. So we have gone through the website development part and we were talking about it. So in the previous section, we talked about buy domain name, buy hosting, how to connect them. And after that, how we can install WordPress on it. Okay, how to install WordPress on it. After that, I was telling you about how to work on themes. So let me take you brush up those things again with the theme part so that I can you can understand how to work on it. So let me take you to my panel of WordPress. Okay, let me log in into it. Just give me a second. Let me log in into my cPanel. Let me tell you again how to install WordPress even. Just wait. Let me try once again. I suppose there is some problem with cPanel. Just hold on. Yeah. So you can see this is known as the cPanel of the HostGator, where you install your WordPress. So I will be installing WordPress over here again. So for that you have to go into Softaculous. Might be you are getting a new updated interface where WordPress will be directly available. Okay. So it depends upon which interface of cPanel you are getting. Sometimes you get like this, or the updated one where you will find WordPress directly. So I have an older version of it. So clicking on it to take you to the WordPress, and here is WordPress. I can install WordPress now. If I click on WordPress again, and then after when I click on WordPress, then it gives me option to choose protocol. In the previous class, I have told you we will select second, and then we will select the domain name. And you have to keep the directory as blank. If you want to build your the website on the domain name. If you want to build one part of it, let's say I want to build a blog of this website. So I write blog and they will run the whole website in the blog itself. Okay, but you try to keep it blank because you might be building it for the first time, as I cannot rebuild the website again and again. So to avoid that, I'm filling it up. I hope that is clear. Press 1 if it is clear. Is waiting if be a bit fast in responding. Press 1. That's why I've kept it to 1 so that you can respond it instantly. Okay, great, Manisha. After that, you have to give username and password through which you are going to log in, and after that, an email ID in case if you forget your password. Okay, in case you forget your password, you can log in into it. And after that, to make your security more effective, you will use one plugin, that is limit login attempt, to stop attempts of unauthenticated logins. Okay, and after that, click on installs. It might take 3 to 4 minutes, but I hope it will be completed in next 1 minute. I'm expecting it to be. Till the time it is installing, let me uninstall few of the unrequired subscriptions. Okay, you don't have to do it, just I'm doing it for my own sake. Okay, like let me check whether my one got installed or not. I've installed. No, it's not displaying it. It's very quick, guys. I hope my one is also got installed. It was robocircle.in/gov. Let me check it. How to check it? Go to your URL which you typed. Okay, that was robocircle.in/. So let me open it. Yes, Nipun, you have to open the cPanel. Yes, it is cPanel only. No, correct. Okay, these steps, because might be in the process of installing, that's why just showing all these things over here. Otherwise, it's just a direct installation happens. So I'm opening the wrong one. Again, I got the removal, but not the installation command. Let me try to do it again. Let's try 1, 2, 3. Because sometimes it happens. So need I hope you are able to see my screen, guys. It was disconnected due to interruption in between. I hope now it's audible now. And you are able to see my screen as well. So it will be loading. Might be internet is a bit slow at my end. Manisha says unable to hear me up. Nipun asked again how to install WordPress. I'm showing you it again, Nipun. Okay, just showing you again. Okay, click on log in into your cPanel, click on it, select the protocol. After that, select the domain name on which you want to install. Okay, whichever domain name you have bought, and then clear the directories, and then give the username and password of your choice, and then activate this and install. This is how you do it, Nipun. I hope now it is clear. Manisha says 1. Nipun, it's clear now? What is the name of the link? I'm not getting which link you're talking about, Nipun. Are you talking about domain name, or are you talking about the cPanel login? Are you talking about this link? This one? Yep. This is known as protocol. Remember, in the last class, I have already explained you there are 4 protocols with WW and without WW, and with HTTP or without HTTP. So as we have not bought SSL, so we will be using the second one. And this is domain name. The domain name which you have purchased from GoDaddy, you will be seeing that domain name over here once you connect it with your hosting. Clear, Nipun? Clear? Or still anything you are thinking about, or anything you want to ask? Send me the link. Nipun, you have to buy domain name and hosting, then only you can install it. I cannot give you my link to do it. Clear? Let me reload. It's not looking good. Okay, this is how my website is looking like. This is how my website is looking like.